what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Wasting Your Time on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So to play this song, you'll be in standard tuning and you're going to need to know 3 chords. The first chord being A. That's open, open, 2, 2, open, open. Second chord, B minor. And these are all going to be open chords, so you won't be barring them. Alright, second chord's B minor, so mute the top string. 2, 4, 4, open, open. See that? Right. Mute, 2, 4, 4, open, open. And the third chord will be C sharp. Mute the top string. 4, 6, 6, open, open. Mute the top string. 4, 6, 6, open, open.